Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel, Aprendiendo con Mr. Lopez. Yes, this is a new channel in YouTube with material, exclusive material in Spanish. Yes, this is for that community, my community, that is growing and asking me every day about more material, more topics, more books, more videos in Spanish. Yes, this is the result of the successful of MrLopezClasses.com, and of course the result of the Academy, Marine Technical Training Academy. Those channels are growing faster. This is basically because I have your support. Thank you very much. I want that you refer that material to the new channel, Aprendiendo con Mr. Lopez. It's for me a pleasure continue working for you. I want that you know that I am working by myself. I don't have a group of engineers. I don't have a group of professors behind of me. I prepare the courses, I prepare the material by myself. I only have the support of Diego Garzon. Diego is my editor, and Diego is the manager, the administrator of the rest of the media. Thank you for Diego, and thank you to you because I have your support for this wonderful project. I want, basically, at the end of the day, I want to create the same material that I have in English, but in Spanish. It's not easy because it's a lot of material. It's 12 books, 12 courses, more than 1,800 videos, videos that's more than 30 minutes, professional videos, and more than 600 video clips and shorts, something like this. It's a lot of material. And not also the video, the courses, I have posters. But yes, I want to convert everything in Spanish. I want to refresh quickly the books. I have the Intro to Marine Engineering book. That's the number one. The second one is the bestseller, the Marine Electrical book, Marine Electricity Handbook. After that, I have the electronic books, Marine Electronics. And also, I have the Marine Diesel Engines, other wonderful book, Diesel Engines. And the Marine Gasoline Engines, inboard and outboard gasoline engines. After that, I have the course of transmission, marine transmissions, inboard transmissions, outboard transmissions for gas and diesel. Next, I have the wonderful course of marine auxiliary system, hydraulics, fire suppression system, sanitation system. This is auxiliary system. After that, the course of marine air condition and refrigeration, that one. And next, the next book is the book of corrosion, other of my bestsellers. It's the preferred book for inspectors, surveyors, managers of marinas, marine corrosion, how to prevent, how to analyze, how to avoid corrosion in your boat. And the last book, the book of marine composite materials, fiberglass, carbon fiber, and the new technology in new alloys, metal alloys, and materials. Wonderful book. And the new book is the book about the hybrid and electric boats. Okay, I am going to try to convert that material completely in Spanish, and with everything, with courses, with videos, with the poster, with everything. Okay, if you have a friend, if you have a relative interested to learn Spanish and to learn about those topics in Spanish, please, you can say to them that Mr. Lopez opened a new channel in Spanish, Aprendiendo con Mr. Lopez. And in that channel, I am going to try to put new material every day, and exactly the same that I did with the previous channels, MrLopezClasses.com and mttedu.org. I am going to create material every day. At the beginning, the material is free, and after that, the material is exclusive for the people that take the courses. This is why at the beginning, try to keep the address of those videos, because those videos in the future will be exclusive for subscribers. But you can subscribe easily. It's free, and you help me. I need your support. Without your support, it's impossible. I need subscribers. Remember, those projects grow only if you have the numbers in subscribers, in views, in other topics. But if you don't have those numbers, it's impossible to grow. Okay, I need your support. I need that you subscribe, please, and I need your likes, and I need thanks or some patrons. Without that support, it's impossible. I survive because I am professor of the university, and I survive because my salary. I don't have extra money with this. No, 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 my friend. The numbers are not enough, probably in the future, but no problem. I hope that at the end of my life, probably I want to see some money from this. Today, nothing. Okay, but I want to continue working. I am happy. This is my passion. I love this. But this is possible only with your support. My friend, thank you very much and welcome to Aprendiendo con Mr. Lopez.